Good morning, students. We are studying properties of materials in our chapter 4, sorting materials into group. Today we will see the property of sinking and floating in water. We have done the properties like appearance, hardness and softness, solubility in water in detail in our previous presentations. Our today's topic is floating or sinking in water. Take some materials like coin, a metal key, dried leaves, a stone and a cork. Put them in water and see what happens to these materials. Some materials will float on water and others will sink in water. Some materials sink in water like coin, metal key and stone. These are the materials which sink in water because these are heavier than water. Some of these materials float on the surface of the water like dried leaves and cork because these are the materials which are lighter than water. Now we will study about this property of floating or sinking in water in detail. So our next topic is classification of materials on the basis of their heaviness or lightness with respect to water. Some materials are heavier than water, whereas other materials are lighter than water. A substance which is heavier than water is said to have higher density than water, whereas a substance which is lighter than water is said to have lower density than water. All the materials can be classified into two groups on the basis of their density: materials which are heavier than water, materials which are lighter than water. We will study this property with the help of an activity. Number 1, we take a beaker and fill it about 2/3 with water. Let us drop an iron nail in this water. We will find that iron nail sinks in water and settles down at the bottom of the beaker. This shows that iron is a material which is heavier than water. Materials which are heavier than water are iron, aluminium, copper, silver, gold, stone, glass, chalk, soil. All the materials which are heavier than water sink in water. To study the objects which are lighter than water, we will perform an activity. Take another beaker and fill it about 2/3 with water. Drop a small piece of wood in this water. The piece of wood starts floating on water. It does not sink in water. The piece of wood is a material which is lighter than water. Examples of materials which are lighter than water are wood, plastic, dry leaves, ice, oil, kerosene and petrol. Materials which are lighter than water float on water. Children, I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.